If you have gotten your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour, YouTube is going to send you an email telling you that you are now eligible to apply to the YouTube Partner Program. But before you click on that apply, there are 3 things I'm going to be mentioning in this particular video for you to do. If not, you might risk having, oh my God, I wanted to say demonetization, but then I remember that demonetization is a term for those that already monetized before, then they lose monetization. In this case, you might risk having rejection, meaning when you apply to the YouTube Partner Program, there's a high chance that it gets rejected. So in order for you not to get rejected, that's why you must do these 3 things I'm actually going to be mentioning. I know you are actually going to be excited, seeing all of that, oh my God, and you are so excited, you just want to apply. But now let's just go straight in without wasting most of our time. The very first thing that I need you to check, number 1, your most popular video. Yes, a lot of people actually overlook that. Before you apply to the YouTube Partner Program, check your most popular video, because YouTube is definitely, in fact, there's a 100% chance that YouTube is going to check and review your most popular video. YouTube has actually, like, if you have applied for monetization before, or if you have read through the monetization policy, you will see why YouTube said that they don't check each and every one of your video. But your most popular video, or the video that got you your 4,000 watch hour, meaning the one that gave you most watch hour on your channel. You understand why? Like, I don't mean the entire 4,000 watch hour in one video, but the one that has the most watch hour on your channel. YouTube is going to check that particular video, review it, and see if it is in line. So before you do that, go and check. If you don't know how to check your most popular video, I'm going to be I'm going to be putting a screen record on this particular screen right now. So as you're watching me, you can see if I'll put it here or here, either way. So you guys can just see your like how to track your most popular video, then watch your most popular video, check your most popular video. Does that use any reused content? Is it somebody else's video? Is it inauthentic? Like, just check if you have flaws in it. You understand? If it's all good, then that's fine. The next thing that you should do, which is your number 2 thing that you should actually do, check your most recent upload, at least top 5. Yes, because like I said earlier, YouTube is not going to check every single of your video, because I mean, there are thousands of people channels that they need to review. And you know that it's a human reviewer that will find, when you're applying, you will see the first part, they have like 3 stages. The 3rd stage is it's a real human being that will actually get to review your channel for you to be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. A real human being. So you don't expect that particular person to be checking your videos one by one. You understand? So what they'll just do, they'll just pick a few of your videos, which is your most popular video and your most recent videos. At least you just check from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are recently uploaded. Check, are they in line? Hope they are not reused content. Hope they are not low efforts. Yes, because mind you, even if that particular content, even if they are yours, not reused, if they are low efforts, they stand a chance to be rejected, because even YouTube has actually spoken about that low effort content are actually going to be rejected for monetization. Even those that actually monetize, they stand the chance to risk the monetization. If you are posting low effort content, you guys can still go ahead, make your research. Like I always say, go and read on low effort content, inauthentic content. In fact, recently, YouTube has been telling this particular YouTuber, Deep Humor, you guys can go ahead and check. He has been sharing channels of how YouTube has been demonetizing channels due to inauthentic or low content, low content videos. Yeah. Low content, actually. Yeah. So, in essence, all I'm just trying to say is that check your top 5 videos to see if they're actually in line with YouTube policy. Then the 3rd thing that I want to mention in this particular video is that make sure that you don't have any copyright claim, copyright strike, or reused content, whatever. Yes. So just check your channel. Make sure that, I don't have a copyright. If you have a copyright strike, even though you have actually gotten your 4,000 watch hour, your 1,000 subscribers, it stands like a period of 3 months. Yeah. For it to get removed from your channel, you need to wait before you apply. Yes. But if you know that you are actually cleared of all of this, then I wish you best of luck as you apply into the YouTube Partner Program, and let's start making money together. Welcome to the team, guys. If you have any more further questions or nothing is clear, you're confused, let me know in the comment section. And guys, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Do not forget to like, and do not forget to share.